So KJ, I have to ask you that, so much of this is foundationally built on lean. And I grew up in an era where the Toyota production system was very, very prominent, and it was the benchmark, common bill of
Mhm.
process, common bill of material, uniformity all over the world. And I thought this was the big buzzword back in the 80s. And people would today, and maybe you can add some color to this, lean. People sometimes think this is a thing of the past, and we now talk much more about digital transformation and
Mhm.
Industry 4.0. And
Mhm.
but these lean principles are still very, very prevalent in building superior manufacturing and having world-class manufacturing with less waste,
Mhm.
great
Mhm.
inventory management, better, optimization of your balance sheet. Uh, so can you talk about this, world of lean and digitalization and how
Mhm.
this
Mhm.
intersects, or does it intersect, and
Mhm.
why companies today should really think about this?
Okay. Yes, actually, as I said, lean means actually to have less waste, and there are a lot of waste. Maybe as you know that Mr. Taiichi Ono, founder of the Toyota Production, said that there are seven kind of waste, mudas, etc., etc. But in fact, actually, even today, the world-class company like Toyota, who has a very short production lead time from creating the cast iron, then manufacturing engines, piston block, blah, 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 till the final assembly. They have worldwide the most efficient and who has also the shortest possible production lead time to manufacturing cars. Say today that their value added time in whole entire production lead time is only 0. Few percent. Yeah, that means even at Toyota, more than 99% of the lead time is the stagnation of the material, mostly VIP, work in process. So many companies try to improve the efficiency, but unfortunately, they often focus on the micro area. And if you have a total lead time, you have a multiple manufacturing steps. And if you really try to improve the efficiency, of course, you need to improve the efficiency of the whole the micro area. But if you do only this or this, maybe lead time in this micro area gets shorter, but this doesn't have almost any effect to shorten the total lead time at all. And as you know, that today the material cost is maybe 60 to 84% of the manufacturing cost,
Yeah.
variable cost. And actually, to reduce the material cost, to reduce the production lead time, to reduce the stagnation time, has a largest effect and impact to improve cash flow and also to improve your to reduce the manufacturing cost. And as well, if you reduce the lead time, that means your space efficiency get much larger. That means you are able to produce further better output of the factory with the same resources. That is why still lean tema kaizen actually is not finished actually as long as you have a production
So you would
company.
say it's
Kate,
like the foundation, it's really the foundation of a building, so to say. And then you build on top of that with digital transformation and other technologies. But the
Yes,
foundation has to be strong, which is this
yes. You
philosophy.
have to do multiple things, of course, in the shop floor as well, but also in the digital and IT side, you need in multiple side to achieve this high level of the lean. But this supporting the better production scheduling system from IT side is also one of the very, very important measures. Yeah.
KG, I find it fascinating 60 to 80% of the manufacturing cost is tied to the product, to the to the inventory management, the impacts on the
Yes.
balance sheet.
Yes,
I mean, this
material
is
cost, yeah.
this is a C-suite topic. This should be on every board meeting, in every
Yes.
boardroom, because if you
Yes.
optimize this right,
Hmm.
you have a bottom line impact that could be tremendous. I mean, you could add 200, 300, 400 basis points of
Mm.
EBITDA to the profit line if you're optimizing this in the proper way, maybe more.